Hi guys, I am actually on my way to LAX airport right now because I am heading to Australia.
Welcome to World Superbike, Scott Redding riding for the aruba.it racing team. Scott, firstly welcome to World Superbike. Congratulations on the debut season last year, of course, arriving here as the reigning British champion. How is it your first full weekend proper? I mean, testing is testing, but you're now settling into to the World Superbike family. How does it feel?
It feels really good, to be honest. You know, we've had a couple of tests now, so I've had time to settle with the team and with my bike and get some alone time, should I say. So now going into a race weekend, it's everything new for me again with the 3-race format. So I just need to take it step at a time, don't want to think too many things, and you know, get out to racing where it's kind of, I've been waiting for the racing now for a couple of months and see what the guys can do. I mean, watching the racing on TV has always been quite good, and now to be involved feels even better.
Hey guys, what's up? Scott Redding here. Jacey's over there. We are in Phillip Island. Supposed to be sunny, getting a sunburn because I'm British, but we're not. We're cold, we got jackets on, and we're about to go and eat Italian food. Oh yeah.
Got a trombone.
He can't hear me right now because he has his headphones in, and I know he's staring at what I'm saying, so he can try to figure out what I'm saying.
Bum 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 bum. DMA.
doing now?
We are packing to back to Europe.
And then what?
We go to chicken from the washing machine.
Hey guys, what's up? So we've just finished up here now in Phillip Island. It was a great weekend. We had 3 podiums, fastest lap. Started on the front row, so I was really happy. It's my first time in World Superbike, so to come away with 3 podiums is very important. We're now second in the championship, and I feel confident with the bike and the team. It was a lot of work to do, a lot of races, what I wasn't really used to. So, no, really happy for myself and the team and everyone that helped me this weekend and looked after me, made it easy. I'm pretty wrecked now, so probably gonna go and eat pizza tonight.
Tell them what we're doing tomorrow.
And tomorrow we are gonna go see kangaroos.
Yes!
So kangaroos tomorrow and fish and chips, and then how many hours home?
24.
24 hours back home. So until then, chickens. Gonna go see the kangaroos.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Eucalyptus and eggs for breakfast. Oh, that one's looking at you. You're funny.
We saw a kangaroo.
No, we saw baby one and he denied the food. And then Jacey went to feed one and he denied the food as well. Let's see what else is around. I don't know, there's some kind of big funky chicken over here. And Jacey doesn't like birds.
Oh, what's on the floor?
The bird.
Scared.
This is the crazy big chicken. It's a dinosaur.
Whoa, I feel like, are you supposed to keep it?
Don't think so. Oh, turtle.
Oh, this looks like,
Whoa, long-necked turtle. Look at these long-necked turtles.
whoa.
What? They've had their necks stretched. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, they're getting swamped by turtles. You need to calm down, baby.
I've never seen a turtle move, like on ground and stuff.
Oh, shh. Shh, 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 shh. No, 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 no. Shh. No, 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 no. Shh, shh, no, shh, shh. I'm gonna wake everyone up around here.
Scott's afraid of kangaroos.
Very afraid, I don't like it. How was your first kangaroo experience?
I don't want to leave, but Scott's making me leave.
We have to catch a flight.
And don't tell anyone, but snuck one inside of his jacket.
And I can't see him though. So long kangaroos. Say bye.
Bye.